In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a new group in Notion using the newest method available. This process is straightforward and will ensure that you can organize your workspace efficiently, harnessing the full potential of Notion for your projects, documentation, and collaboration needs. To begin, make your way over to your connected workspace on Notion. If you're already familiar with navigating through Notion's interface, this first step should be a breeze. The workspace is a central hub where all your projects and documentation reside, making it the ideal starting point for adding a new group. Once you're on the Notion homepage, take a moment to locate the Login button. If your browser has saved your login credentials, this will be a quick step. Otherwise, enter your email and password to access your account. Logging in ensures you have the necessary permissions to create or modify content within your workspace. After logging in, you'll be directed to your Notion home. Now, this page displays a list of all your existing pages and projects. From here, you'll want to select a specific page to work on. Choose a page that will benefit from having a group or one where you're planning on adding content. Clicking on a page ensures you're making changes in the correct context. Next, look for the Settings option within the chosen page. This menu is key to tailoring how you view and organize your data within Notion. Under Settings, you'll find various customization options. For our purposes, we need to tweak the layout, a crucial step for preparing the page to house a new group effectively. Once inside the Settings menu, direct your attention to the Layout option. This is where you can decide how information is organized visually on your page. By selecting the right layout, you can simplify navigation and keep your project streamlined. For creating a new group, we'll be focusing on the board layout. Now, click on the Board option. This particular layout is optimal for visual organization and suits interactive and collaborative projects where you might need to manage multiple elements or groups. Boards display information in a card format, almost like a digital whiteboard. They allow you to drag and drop content easily, which is great for task or project management. With the board layout activated, the next step is to bring our attention to creating the new group itself. You'll notice a clear option labeled New Group. Click on this, and voila, you've successfully added a new group within your Notion page. From here, you can name and customize this group to best fit your project needs, making it as general or specific as required. And there you have it. You've just created a new group in Notion using the latest method available. Feel free to repeat these steps for any page that could benefit from additional organization. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.